What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Josh. We're gonna go over BTC, currently sitting at 66.1, down up 0.41 on the day. Market cap 1.1302 billion, over 1 trillion. 24-hour volume 24 billion. Let's hop to the charts. So I do think that we could start to pull back from here. We had a nice ending diagonal and a 5-way move and a rising wedge. So if this trend line breaks, then we can start to come down in between 61.2 and 63.4 in a wave 2 pullback. Now, of course, you can see a little bit of a bounce here first, create a head and shoulders, and then start to come down. We are currently in a Bitcoin trade and just previously closed a Gala trade, nice 86% profit. You can gain access for free to my signals at the end of the video. So just watch this trend line, pretty key. If it starts to break, that will be your sign that we are going to start to come back in this wave 2. But if we see a little bit of a bounce first, then just watch for head and shoulders. If we were to push all the way up and break the high, then the wave count simply isn't finished yet, but I think there's a decent chance we do start to break and come down. If we look on the weekly chart, basically we're just retesting the previous all-time high, which we already broke, allowing the 20 EMA to catch back up to the candles. Pretty normal stuff, consolidating. Exactly what you want to see. We already passed the Bitcoin halving. So we consolidate, pull back a little bit more. 20 EMA catches back up to the candles, and we see continuation up to 80 to 90K. That's what I think is the likely scenario. But in the short term, I would expect a pullback in a wave 2. If we put in a higher high, it is what it is. But if this trend line breaks, and looking at some of the altcoins, it would make sense for us to break and start to come down in between 61.2 and 63.4K. So if you want completely free access to my trade signals, all you have to do is sign up to BITUNIX. No KYC, no VPN, all around the world, including North America. My link down below, just click that link to sign up, and it will bring you to the sign up page. Make your first deposit. Can be $10, $100, really doesn't matter. And just send me an email. I'll give you completely free access to my VIP rooms, which include my daily crypto analysis, my exact crypto trade setups. Here's the last week results: 7 wins, 5 losses, as well as Forex doing really well there too. Last week we had, what was it, 7 wins, 1 loss in Forex. So crypto trades, Forex trades, almost 3,000 members in the Discord. All links down below. If you don't want to sign up to BITUNIX, it's $10 a month through the Patreon link. Smash up that like button, subscribe if you're new. See you in the next video. Much love. Take care.